Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can create your own Upwork account totally for free and really easy. So let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So obviously the first step is us heading over to upwork.com. Once we get here and we are on the main page like I am on this screen, as you can see, what you need to do is just click on sign up or on get started. So I'm going to click on sign up. And now it's giving me the option of either continuing with my Google account, with my Apple account, or my work email address. So I'm going to select a Google account. I'm going to select this Gmail account, which I have right here. I want to hire for a project, work as a freelancer. I'm going to select work as a freelancer. Country is already selected. This is basically news, which I don't want, and this is agreeing to their privacy policy. So I'm going to click on create account. Now it's loading, as you can see, redirecting you. And here we are going to basically complete some details about our account. So I'm going to click on continue, start my profile, fill out manually. What is the main service you offer? So I'm going to just select web and mobile, etc. Game development. I'm just going to select it as it is. Select your skills. For example, I'm going to select this, just some stuff. Next, expertise. I'm going to select intermediate. I'm going to leave out. I can't leave out education, so I'm just going to select a random one. So we are going to move to employment. Next, languages, English proficiency. Here we are going to select an hourly rate. Okay. Title. Next. At least 100 characters. I'm just going to spam it because I don't really care right now. I'm going to skip this step. Location. I'm going to enter address. And the next step is me entering my phone number. And after I've done this, this is my account right now, and I need to complete every step because I didn't complete them before basically adding I'm just going to add my signature. I have a signature right here. No, it's not letting me. Okay, can I do this? I'm going to pause it. And basically after you also add your profile image, as I haven't done it here, or you can just submit your profile and start using Upwork in order to find work or whatever purposes that you need it for. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.